Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 156. The attached line graph shows the annual revenues of a retail chain over the period from 2012 to 2020. Between which 2 years, what the percentage increase in the revenues, the maximum? So based on the graph, we have to know how to read it. Approximate revenue in 2012 is about 7 million. So we see 2012 is right here. It's about 7 million. 2014 is right here. It's about 9.5 million. And then 2016 is about 13. It because it's above half way from 10 million to 15 million. So that should be 13. And then 2018 right here. It's about above the midpoint. So that will be 18 million. And then 2020, it's just a little bit above, almost straight line. So but it's still above, right? So it's 18.5 million. So to calculate the percentage increase, it will be equal the amount increasing over the original, which is the starting point, times 100. So for example, in 2012 to 2014, the original amount is 7 million. Okay, so we take the difference between 2014 to 2012, that is 9.5 subtract 7, 9.5 million subtract 7 million, that equals 2.5 million. And this is the revenues increasing within that 2 years. So we take 2.5 divided by 7, the million is cancelled out, and then we multiply by 100, and that gives us 35.7%. We do similar to the rest. So from the second period it starts from 2014. So we have to know that the original amount is 9.5 million. Okay, so we take 13 subtract 9.5, and then we multiply by 100. We divide by the original amount, then we multiply by 100. Okay, similar to the last. And after you calculate, you got that the 2016 to 2018, that is the maximum percentage increase in the revenue. So in this question, they not mentions about the exactly percentage increasing. So they only let you answer that in which period. So you not necessary to perform all of those. Okay, if you know how to read the graph, you know how the slope look like for each period, you can just compare them. The most steep line will produce the high or the maximum revenue. Okay, so for this one, you got this like this, and then you have this one go like this, and let's see this one, you go like this, and then this one is go straight. So which one is like the steepest one? That right there. See that this one is above everything, while if we continue to draw this one, it's go like this. Continue to draw this one, it's go like this. It's just like slightly, because you see the percentage 35.7 and 36.8 is really close. But from 36 to 38, you see it's like more steep for that line. And this one is horizontal, mean is mostly no change. Almost no change. Okay, it's kind of horizontal, it keeps the same value. It doesn't earn much for the after 2018. So based on the stiffness of it, of the line represent the revenues from 2016 to 18, we can choose it at the answer. Unless they try to have saying which one is which, they may saying like 2016 to 2018, and then the percentage increase is 38.5%, and then they have another one at the answer choice, and then they say it's 40% or something like that. Now they given the percentage in the answer choice, so you have to perform this to be able to answer the questions. But if they don't say it by eyeball to the graph, you can just answer the question easy. Thank you for participating in this series, and see you next time.